Peggy, a butcher, puts on popular black stripy sandal for Netflix. Beverly Hills Cop, Alex F. Premiere with Eddie Murphy. Peggy Butcher was the lady in red while walking the corridor at the Los Angeles premiere of Beverly Hills Cop. Alex F. with her husband Eddie Murphy. The Beverly Hills event included the likes of Keegan Michael Key, Lonnie Love, Joseph Gordos, Levitt, and Lil Nas X, among others. The comedic film stars Eddie Murphy reprising his role as Axel Foley. It is the fourth installment of the Beverly Hills Cop series following 1994's Beverly Hills Cop 3. In the latest film, Foley is a police lieutenant who returns to Beverly Hills in a bid to protect his daughter Jane Saunders, played by Taylor Peggy. Peggy Butcher turned up to the event on the arm of her husband in a fitted red dress. The ensemble featured a draped bodice with a sweetheart neckline. She matched the look with a diamond bracelet and diamond earrings. For shoes, she went with the Giavento Rossi portfolio sandal, relatively simple. The heel features a thick strap across the toe as well as a thick ankle strap that attaches with a circle buckle. The suede sandals support an almond toe shape, hand finished in Italy. They include a stilt heel of about 4 inches. The shoes have been a favorite of celebrities over the years, the likes of Jennifer Lawrence, Nicole Kidman, Diane Kruger, Olivia Culpo, Demi Lovato, Camila Cabello, and Margot Robbie have all worn the silhouette in a variety of colors. Last month, Venus Williams wore a white Piero while taking in the town at the Met Gala after parties. The portfolio sandals comes in 11 different colors. Gianvito Rossi, a company founded in Italy in 2006, celebrated the 10 years anniversary of the sandal in April. For it, they released a limited edition collection of 10 new metallic shades inspired by the city of portfolio. That collection came available in 2 different heights. The shoe remains one of the company's best sellers. The portfolio sandal embodies the essence of my vision, beauty in simplicity and quality, as well as in the attention to proportions. Its designs is conceived to enhance a woman's silhouette rather than an prevail over her, said Rossi. Press materials for the anniversary. After 10 years, our customers keep looking for it. I like to think that its lenses lies have somehow got out of time to stay. Becoming a cherished object, women can always have within reach in the India wardrobe. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more informations.